There was a robin on my car. I was gonna get him. He pooped on my car! Damn you! Idiot. Ah! What was that? So, today's really hot out. It's the first day of my summer break, so I'm pretty pumped. But I'm just gonna be cleaning the toys because they're pretty muddy from when I rode them last week. But later I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do with the track this summer, or at least plan on doing. So yeah, stick around and it should be pretty fun. Alright, I'm just finished up. They're all pretty clean. Didn't even use soap really, but save that for a different day. Pit bike came clean pretty easy. Just thought it was nice, it's so small. So quick update on the pit bike. My roommate actually has a vinyl cutter, and he made me some custom Jake Place 12 stickers. Pretty sweet, they look nice on there. Kind of sucks though, the kickstand hits the swing arm. It actually dented it already, which kind of sucks. But I think I'm gonna grind some of that off of there, off the back of there. But I also got it on the side. Looks pretty good. Nice orange color, matches the pit bike pretty good. I was just ripping this thing around for a little bit. I had it clean up out there. Left the toys out, baking in the sun. It's never good for the plastics. So I got my Phantom 2, and I'm gonna fly around the track and show you guys what I'm gonna do for this summer, what I plan on adding to the track. So yeah. So my track right now goes, it's got two small doubles in a row, and then it's a left-hand turn, then a right-hand turn, into a U-turn, and then you have these three bigger doubles into another left-hand turn, and it kind of loops back in. But I think tomorrow I'm going to build a U-turn here, and this is what's... I'm going to build a U-turn here, and then I'm going to come down this way, and then right about here, I want to make like a 80-foot triple. I think it's going to be like another 40-foot double, and then I'm going to have like a tabletop. So you could either shoot it to the tabletop as the landing, or just double it to tabletop. And then after that, I think I'm going to have some whoops and do another U-turn. And then it's going to sweep back around into this jump in the middle of the field right here. And then I might have another jump before that. I'm not sure yet. And then I'm just going to have it loop back into the beginning. Or I'm going to have it go over into this right side of the field a little bit more. I think I just might have like a like some turns in there. I don't know. I don't think I'll put any jumps over there. But yeah, that's the plan for the summer. And getting it all the dirt because it's a constant battle with the weeds. So we're currently having a pretty big thunderstorm. Well, it's not too bad, but it's, well, a lot of thunder, or lightning. A lot of, well, I guess both. I don't know. You guys probably can't see anything. It's always super loud in the garage on the tin roof. Oh, it's coming down now. Oh, it's pouring. It's pouring out. Jeez. It's picking up pretty good. God, it's so hot in here. Today was like super hot, so it's like 70. Sitting at 78 in the cabin. It's way too hot in here. Let's open this front door. So I got the skid steer out, and I'm gonna be making the U-turn that I just showed you guys out of the 3 doubles. So let's get into this. I think I'm gonna make it like right, probably, because there's the double. So probably like come in here and then right there, back out that way. So yeah, dirt's over there. Time to make a time lapse. Alright, so I just finished it. I'm probably gonna add more to it later. It's just kind of getting late. Sun's going down. But ride's pretty good so far. I think I'm just gonna make it a little bit taller in the future. Cause it's like, it's a pretty good berm. That should do it. Woo. Well guys, I'm gonna cut it off here. I will see you guys next Tuesday. My upload schedule is Tuesdays and Thursdays. Mondays and Thursdays. I always used to say that forever when I would even upload on Tuesday. But yeah, Tuesdays and Thursdays. Probably with a moto vlog. Oh, and I got people coming up. My friends are coming up next weekend. I always do this because my hair always goes everywhere with like the slightest breeze. But yeah, so next week should be a fun vlog. And oh, there's a red squirrel. Sorry, I always get distracted. But yeah, feel free to subscribe, and I will see you guys next week. Peace.